namkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel namuntlha of course hi ta khera timhaka ta Hagiazo la yisukusuka man la yisukusuka man ize kombela kurivaleriwa then makumu of course hi ta hetela hi mhaka ya Jeepy the caterpillar man of ku hi ti-comments mi nga ku kombiseni ku se tixaka ta Diana na Mapele ha tete ku vuyeni man hey. Yeah, so as mi swi tiva ku vhele Hagiazo I munhu wo ku tindlela ti competition on his page the stuff like that so aku ve na a competition recently competition yakho a yi yime so ngo yi tlanga first swo tala ta kishola afterwards let's go
ku endla video you know u yi kombisa swa ku loko wo wina u nga xava yini hi mali leyi i nga ta yi wina la ka competition ya 500,000 u nga ndlela yini n'wana wun'we wa xikolo kumbe vambirhi ka community ya wena wa pfumeleriwa ku yi byela swa ku na n'wana loyi u mi tivaka kwihi xiyimo xa ka vona xi so loko wo wina competition leyi you would like to take care of them.
So then of course on top aku ve ku va ku ri na post leyi a yi tsariwini la leyi nga se hi nga hlamala yi kha yi kombela ku rivaleriwa siku leka yini kahle kona so loko hi cheka like on the original post hi kona la mhaka yi nga fika yi va kona leswi nga endla ku gaza yi fika yi ba bembe leyi hlaseriwa strong Hagiazo la but before swo tala hi ta sungula hi yona post ya kona la so the original post prior to this one it kombela ku forgiveness I fike hi swi vona ku the amounts ta competition leyi nga kona ku tsariwini ku amounts to be won 5,000 3k 2k 1.5 1k 750 and 500 rand even there ku ve na statement lexi xo xi nga fika xi onha swinene whereby road and then we will give out 2k to a child that will do a video with torn uniform that will have most votes. This is a separate competition ku va se ni swi reporta before ni yingisela swa ti live ku hi statement lexi loko hi khe hi xi langutisa laniwa it was as if like Hagiazo la yi le ku promoteni ku ri vana obvious va xikolo va fika va endla this competition va mbale swimbalo swa ku handzuka like uniform ya ku handzuka and then overall we all know ku ri in most cases vana lava va na uniform yo handzuka I vana lava humaka from a poor background vona mhaka leyi laha se statement lexi Hagiazo la xi viewiwa as if se yi la ku humiliata vana or yi la ku humiliata vana lava humaka from a poor background sweswo leswi nga fika swi endla ku ya hlasa was strong vanhu vo tala swinene a yi sukusuka la hi ti 13 ta January hi nga kotanga ku report vele because yesterday hi created video timbirhi a na zama ku va ni cover up ti 10 because a ni nga ndlangi video hi swin'wana na swin'wana and stuff like that so mhaka yi tlhela even worse because u kume ku na n'wana leswi ti komba ku evidently loyi a nga kha huma started from a poor background ambali na swimbalo swi like hi swona ku like you can see like even the background and stuff like that hi tlangeni video let's go hi swin'wana swilo of course hi nga fika hi swi vona kwalano and stuff like that so a swi fike swi onha swinene na ku kwala ka video leyi vana va kha va hlasela swinene hayi swo huwa vana va kwatini swinene hi timhaka ta swona so after that post vele Hagiazo hi swi vona ku hi timhaka se ti le ku tekeni because I postiwe hi vo ma 10 AM and then you forgive hi byela the team to ask for forgiveness around vo ma 4 a ku ri vo ma 4 PM so ka post leyi nga va yi landzelela hansi la so nga fa forgive me and my team and stuff like that we had good intentions but our statement came out wrong and stuff like that sweswi ni ta swi hlayisa sweswiwa swo analyze ta swi vona late ta hlayisa swi a swi like hi va hi khe hi swi vonisa swona ku na mina a ni ta ni swi narretise xiswona and stuff like that But even before ya ka swa ti-live video yi nga ti endla even lana ndzeni sa yi ri ku kombela ku rivaleriwa kwalano. To all of you who got offended by the way we put our statement regarding the school uniform issue, kindly forgive me and the misinterpretation and stuff like that, leswi of course a swi tsarise swona kwalano and stuff like that. So hansi the comments vo pride wala ku video with a toy uniform a whole pastor a ku ri busy blind kwana ku ri busy blind vana va kwatini ngo kha va rhuketela vo zane kwalano wisdom kha komisa ku so he actually wanted to post those kids with torn school uniform a swa ola swi la ku ndisa swo because un'wana already a post un'wana van'wana va va na mpahla yi nga ri kahle and stuff like that. Kha kombisa ku just imagine a whole pastor making the less fortune do all this for money and stuff like that, as you can see kwalano. So hey, I suka vana va kwatini swinene. Yeah, vukaraba kha komisa ku bathong keep your money, yeah, and stuff like that kwalano va ngo kha rhuketela kwalano, as you can see kwalano. Na vo khose khose mirongo ngopfu. Yeah, so vana avakwatini swinene va nga tsakangi swilo leswi Hagiazo of course yi nga fika yi swi kombisa laniwa and stuff like that. Yeah, so as expected, Hagiazo came out to ask for forgiveness and clarify the matter furtherwards. Of course, ngata ku tlhela kota ku swi analyze kahle. Let's go.
Guys, I opened the competition. Maybe the way they wrote things came to you as in we are saying people should audition their situations and all of that.
Yeah.
That is a total misrepresentation of what we are about. We didn't say let poor people audition their torn uniform. We from our end, this is all about content. For those who know me, I am giving uniform almost every year to over 1,000 students, and I go to schools if I'm looking for the less privileged, and there is a lot of kids that have gotten help out of these competitions that I'm normally doing, and some you find they just posted their situation and then a lot of people get to assist them. I understand that you hate me so much, I understand that some of you don't like me, and it's all fine, but I didn't mean any harm with that statement. If you listen to my statement, I said you just do content with torn uniform. I didn't say the poor must do that. If I want to help the poor, I am always going to different schools. I'm always going to different schools giving out uniforms, and I do post here. So I don't understand why we will make you would want to use that and make me a bad person. However, for those that that didn't sit well with and all of that, kindly forgive me. Forgive me. I didn't mean any harm. I'm seeing a lot of people are insulting and all of that. Guys, I don't think anyone would even want to take that to heart if you know and you follow the things that that I do. So I don't really think my team meant it that way. However, for us, every time when I celebrate a certain milestone and all of that, that's what we normally do. However, if it came out insensitive to most of you and all of that, as a leader, I take full responsibility. And when I do content, we were not doing content as a pastor, as many of you are taking it. I'm also a businessman, and I am giving as a businessman. I don't understand the part of a pastor and all of that way it's getting into, but guys, there was nothing. I didn't mean any harm. So if you guys took it sensitive and all,
yeah. Okay, we have a statement ku Hagiazo is indicating or logo then will give out 2K to a child that will do a video with torn uniform that will have most votes. Ako kombiswa ntsena ku a swi nga ri that personal ku ya Hagiazo as ku ri vanhu va the content that is what is basically trying to say. So swi fike swi misinterpret in a way yo ku nga kha ku vuliwa ku vana lava humaka from less privileged homes va fika va teka those videos na ti-torn uniform because in most cases hi vona hi nga hleketela ku va fika va na swimbalo leswiya swi kuma ku va nga swi khipa nkarhi wo leha swi fana a regular person a nga ku muka nga hatla a swi cukumeta or each and every year a va a ri karhi a xavula swimbalo swa nyuwani and stuff like that. So swi fike swa complicated swinene but ku Hagiazo ask for forgiveness yeah, without that clarity hambi loko a no hi languta nda swona in that way yo swi vula ku kahle yeah in a way ku ndliwa ku na lava va pfumelaka na mpahla lava nga na swimbalo leswi swi nga boxeka it means va fika va nghena ka this competition va ta wina because va va na opportunity yo loko ku ri himpela va na uniform leyo boxeka va nga kota ku va nghena na va kota ku va fika va wina. So it was a crazy match, it was a crazy one. Ku ve na miscommunication from his team hi nga swi tekisa sweswo like a swi nga ndliwangi hi ndlela ya kahle swi nga tsaliwangi hi ndlela ya kahle. But knowing Hagiazo, him personally, and won't go Hagiazo will write such things. A team you go buys a vangashi should in a way, yeah, Angashtekatan. La solution is to a level. You want another one. I'm going to post the videos. That one I'm balang like I'm pretty under. Yes, it's children. I understand that. But they would be. That's it. They would be na mukuma vanga vambala vambala ti underwear ntsena ni vona swi nga basangi na swo no yana swi voni kwala ka page anti swi nga swi delete but ani swi voni na swona mukuma swi nga basangi i swilo leswi team ya Hagiazo fike swi regulate na sweswo because page leri ri Hagiazo still abantu leri one page if that's the case because page leri ri Hagiazo represent him as a pastor. That's what they need to understand. So nga mix swa vu pastor na the business because swa ona hi ku nala ku tlhela clarify na swin'wana kwala swo komisa swo fambisana na vavasati vundulu ta mavele kwala ka page swa swi nga basanga na hala ndzhaku nto swi nga fambisana like na him as a pastor, you see. So it continue to understand, but if that's the case va nga endla na a separate page. It's possible if that's the case because swi lo ku mixini mukuma hala tlhelo se pastor hala tlhelo 1 minute ku post munhu hala le ku cinisa hala ndzhaku na mavele ni twa ku like swi la ku regulatiwa like elders are needed in such situations to advise him, you see. And the Russian country now that affect na vana lavatsongo ni vona vana vatsongo na hosi va sungula swo cinisa hala ndzhaku la ti video leti mi kuma ku va kha ti vekeriwa ta vavasati vo karhi mi kuma ku va kha va like in a way yo the intention ku va ku ri la ku komisa ngopfu they are behind and hi to ti kuma ngopfu ti likes or views in most cases because vanhu va lava sweswiya swo la ku ciniseriwa hala ndzhaku. So mi kuma ku se page ri more sexually in a way mayikumanyana and mawatiwa vanhu va kona va mani swimani mani wa yini. So ni twa loko vanhu vo fanela vuya like I'm just saying swilo leswi swi nga postiwa on the page like swi influence na vana lavatsongo vavasati in a wrong way. Nghena nga page mi ta swo ni se na swihlangi swi cinisa hala ndzhaku koko i swihlangi you won't see anything but ka lavakulu yes. So mi kuma ku swi onha swihlangi swa ha ri ntsanana. So page yi fike yi lunghisa swo fana sweswo because n'wansati walowo nga kwalani it's a good example of xin'wana xa xihlangi na xi nga fika xi endla the same thing kwala ka video yale ka mina kwala ka the page. So ni vona swi nga mikisa ku wafu ku posta munhu loyi a swi ti komba ku swi ri sexual obviously a nga humesa na madimbonyo like on social media ka page na rona ra pastor. So swi regulator team le fike yi regulator maybe Hagiazo I understand they did not say it but you should give guidance to the team. Na yin'wana kwalo kha ku yina no kwala koko le it's I think this one there's a thin line and I think there's a thin line and koko YouTube ya penga but ngo vekela a glimpse here. I think there's a thin line.
Nena mo calculate that no hole na.
Ay, I cinisa la ndhavuko la endla video leyi mara Hagiazo came back the ask for forgiveness, once again, so serious, ask multiple times. So hopefully vanhu va ta yi rivalela Hagiazo, a yi komberi ku rivaleriwa guys, multiple times, a yi swo huwa ni yi komberini, like video leyi n'wana ku ri 25 minutes yi kha yi kombela ku rivaleriwa, imagine.
Guys, I have said it thoroughly. There is no excuse for how the statement was put. And like I have said, admin, what, I stand to be crucified for that. And I'm taking full responsibility. All right? I just want us to flow together. I'm wrong. Let's forget the issue of page rame kuna admin what page Paul Hagiazo. I'm Paul Hagiazo. So please forgive me. That was wrong. That was uncalled for. It cannot be justified. Okay.
Yeah.
Now for those who forgave me, I appreciate that. And for those who didn't forgive me, well, you are entitled to your own view. So guys,
okay. Swin'wana swa statements leti a ni swi voni ka swi trenda like a ku ri timhaka like events such as post yo fana leyiwa like kombisweni ka paragraph number 2, kids must parade their poverty to a pastor. For example, 50 videos get sent, published on Facebook, and then one with most likes works with 2K, and the one who does not win i jeriwa ku yini, ku hlakeleriwa ka wena a ku ku winisanga and stuff like that. Then the last post or last paragraph she wrote, this is inhuman. What happened to a child's dignity? Next thing, a child is bullied at school because a pastor called them to show that they like high. No. So concern the yard nakona loko se hita yala ya no na loko twisisekeni ya twiseka concern leyi vanhu a va na yona la ya twiseka swinene. So a ko va miscommunication from team ya Hagiazo la. Unfortunately swi hete leswi nga yiva yi nga chang kahle, vanhu a va kwateni swinene. Emdende vele ke hetela hi timhaka ta man of 4 na Mapele. Mi swi vona yi kusuka la yi nga susi hi Mapele. So man of 4 se dyikwate ngo di busy na yena manjeni ta hi kha hi nghena ka ti-sections or ti-updates ti nga landzela after. So fike vona Jeepy ka tabela man of 4 fika tsala ku a wa ha ri virgin hala mrawu loko u ba ti-hate sweswi i nyamini i xifivi xa gay. Okay. Then he also indicated when Mapele ni unblock ni ku lava haleni and stuff like that. A yi vekele ke nge yi vekele ta hi hundza. And then he also wrote beef song liya hi nga bifa beli ya vava nandziwe xi nge ku rivaleri be. So khi hi languta ku hi man of 4 hi strategy sweswo i ku ela ku holovisa Mapele na Mayengani, because se a ku ri vanhu lava maybe to some extent Mayengani a nga va a rivelerini Mapele to a level yo karhi. Yes, a nga ha la ku tirhana na yena but u n'wi riveleni to a level yo karhi. Vona mhaka leyi laha se Mapele man of 4 ndi nga tlhela ndi n'wi tsundzuxa hi risimu leri va nga tshama va ri yimba la. Ndi nga fatsala ku kambe Gomolina a wu vula beni a wu ku Cynthia swi ku yini, Cynthia inside wa murhangaphandle Bernard president. The beef leyi a ti chavisa gas la ti humela minkarhi leyi hi ku landza risimu leri. Yes, the song Gomolina and stuff like that.
Cynthia nkatanga na wena phela unikhoma kahle wa swi tiva sweswo leswo.
Mi nga ma hleketa ti-track leti ni vengoma n'wagomo ni bela wena cheers ni bengoma cho ni bela wena special ni Gomolina. So I developed like this section man of 4 ni titaleri inge vuyi n'wagomo. As you can hear what okay. Leswi a develop swona i man of 4 tona ha ti vuya tona. So you sure. So Men of War is basically trying to make them fight. Look, comes the current ship. Yeah, Mapele in Agujanava. And I'm going to get a woman in Mapele at Lemako. Tova in'wana wa yena and stuff like that. Leswi of course a zamaka ku komisa. So Men of War swi wa kahle kahle yi le ka a mission yo va lwisa swi komba ku mi rhanga phanda xa kwata loko kha ku yisiwa ti-history ta khale because ni voni na kun'wana a nga chingela hi tin'wana ta ti-influencer loko se ti n'wi chingerini laha swi ti komba ku se Mayengani se xi kwatile manjhini a xa ha ri na ngopfu na mhaka ngopfu na vona na mhaka leyiwa so a ridzi game hi ta hi khe hi vona hi leswi loko ri amukeza subscribe ta kuma mi tika subscribe
loko fika nghena xopeni ni loko languti kuma wexe you're not gonna buy anything o ngheni ho languta i nga tlheli swi ta ve swi jampisa u languta i languta yini va nga hava ivi i kombela xona hambi u kuma ku ri xopo ya furniture i ka mina tintangu yeah, like just describe some shoe yeah or something man xi vona ku va kumbe ke lava a yini yeah i nge xavi nchumu there's a reason why you are alone yeah so if you because it's gonna get ugly you see now when you have to leave it's weird yeah just ask for some random thing man like hey do you have camp chairs like what camp chairs like we sell furniture yeah kunjalo lokungisa kuyena